welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and this video is sponsored by Home Chef, and surprise, my son is going to be cooking it. One of my son's favorite foods of all time, since he's become this huge massive teenage human being, is salmon, and Home Chef sent me a salmon recipe and I thought it would be a perfect time to teach my son how to cook the perfect cut of salmon. We are actually going to have a hickory seasoned salmon with everything bagel roasted cauliflower. Looks delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. We need aprons. Which one do you want to wear?
Yeah. The jungle one, boy.
They're both the jungle one. That's the one you want to wear. My son is going to share with you the ingredients for our hickory smoked salmon. He's preparing for dinner.
Alright.
Parsley.
Parsley.
Okay. Parsley.
Cauliflower.
Yep. Have you made any of these ingredients before?
I've only made bowls of cereal.
No. Okay, so
and
no.
Sandwiches, so no.
Okay.
Alright.
Lemon. And sugar cane. So we do have a little bit of sugar that they're gonna make for the hickory flavor. This is probably our everything bagel seasoning. It's like a little seasoning pack.
And then liquid smoke.
Ooh, liquid smoke. That's gonna make it taste delicious. I actually have some liquid smoke in the cabinet, but I love how you see how this is the perfect portion for our salmon.
I don't know.
That's garlic.
Oh.
And then we're gonna have a little bit of garlic. So okay, let's get everything prepared. So what's first?
I have to marinate. Oh no, before you cook.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta preheat the oven before 150 degrees.
Alright. Yep. Let's go for it. Why are you holding the knife that way? You're not a serial killer.
I'm just trying to.
But you're not a serial killer. Don't hold the knife that way. Just, oh my God. Your apron to wipe your hands, or you can wash them in the sink. Oh.
Why would you give me the option?
Because I just wanted to show you how to use the apron. But you still gotta wash your hands because now you have to rinse off this cauliflower. Yeah, take two. So the next step is to mince garlic.
I was looking at the camera when you started.
Stop biting. So the next step is to mince garlic. My son has never minced garlic, so I'm gonna mince one, and then I'm gonna teach him how to mince, and then he's gonna mince one. So start with it down. So this, yeah. So that end stays down. Yep, perfect. So you see how it's cutting it up?
Yep.
Perfect. So that's the same thing that you're gonna do with the parsley. So then take your finger and at a diagonal slice that garlic off. Cut my son's hands. Okay. All right. So then. You got to make sure that's at an angle when you do that, or else you're gonna cut your finger off. Okay. for the lemon, to get the juice out, you want to put your weight into it and you want to roll it under your hand like that. So you want to do that to get the juice out of the lemon. We do not have a lemon zester to zest this lemon, so I YouTubed how to zest a lemon, and we are going to do it the long way. So watch and enjoy while my son zests this lemon.
Place on a large oven-safe pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay.
Or teaspoons.
Yep. So, do you want to eyeball it or you want to measure it?
Eyeball it.
Okay. All right. So, since you want to eyeball it, this is half a teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon. So, how much do you think would be 2 whole teaspoons? All right.
Mama be a mama bear.
Scared me. Okay, don't put that in just yet. Let your pan heat up a little bit.
Alright, so this is half a teaspoon. And I'm a, what is it called? No.
You gonna eyeball it?
I'm gonna eyeball it. And I'm gonna precisely do 4 of these. Now I want y'all to watch me do this and I want y'all to tell me how good I do.
Okay, hold on. Let me get close.
Alright.
Wait. Let me get this shot.
Now watch this perfection. Like watch this. Watch how like to a T, and y'all tell me in the comment section, but I promise you. All
right, whenever you're ready. You're just eyeballing a little bit of.
Sheesh.
Is that 2 teaspoons?
That's 4. That's 4 of them.
That's 4 of the halves. Okay, all right. I see you out here. I see you.
Out here. Eyeballing war.
All right. No. Carefully place the cauliflower in there. Go. Yeah, put it in there. I told you it was gonna pop. Now look at the drawer, grab that zebra spoon and mix it around because you don't want it to burn.
Zebra spoon?
Yeah, there's like a wooden zebra spoon. Because you can smell it cooking already.
Alright, chef
okay.
boy RP.
So move it around, yep. So, remember, let the excess oil drip, and then, no, over the bowl, not over the, yeah, okay. And then you want to lay that down gently, yep. And then do the same one, and then lay that down. All right.
In another mixing bowl, whisk together garlic, 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice, 1/4 a teaspoon. Lemon zest, remaining parsley, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, a pinch of salt, and pepper.
Something that I would love for you to do is to go to www.homechef.com and sign up to receive this meal kit today. It is absolutely delicious. And as I see my son dancing in his satisfaction, all I'm thinking about is that my 16-year-old son just learned how to make the perfect cut of salmon because of the instructions and the portions that Home Chef sent him. And I want that for you, and I also want that for your family. So in the description box below, there's a discount code for you to receive $30 off your first order with Home Chef, and I encourage you to sign up for that ASAP so that you can start preparing meals in your home just like a chef. All right, so dinner is done. How do you feel? Everything looks beautiful. Let's see if it looks like it's photo. I think you did an amazing job. How do you feel, Rakim? How do you feel about the meal you prepared?
I feel ready to eat.
I'm gonna try. Let's see how my son's salmon turned out. He knows how to make salmon now. Do you like all the flavors also?
Yes.
I think you're just excited because it's yours. You even like the cauliflower?
Yes, I'm actually gonna eat the cauliflower. I'm actually gonna eat it. At first I was telling her like you can have all of mine, but it's good.
Alright, I'm going in for the first bite. You did good. You did so good. It's so good. All the flavors are so good. You did so good. How do you feel?
I feel good, actually. I feel really, really good. Yeah. All right, I'm ready to eat, man. We out. Faction.
This is even better with the